Good morning, students. So today we learned what is formula and what is cell references and what are the different types of cell references. So formula is nothing but an expression made up of data values along with mathematical operators. As this is an MS Excel package, while writing an expression or while writing a formula, you may use the data values directly or you can use the cell references. Now look at the example given here. Keep it in mind always, while writing a formula, you always starts with the equal to symbol. Okay, so equal to, and then here I have two different values, 56, 78. So either you may directly give 56 plus 78 or you can write it as E5 plus E6. This is what called as cell references. So in this way you can find value for a addition operation. So for addition you have to use plus symbol. Yes. So this all know, but the new thing is using equal to symbol and then using cell references. Cell references in the sense you are using cell address. Okay. Now you may have a question in your mind. Why do I have to use cell references? So keep it in mind, in Excel sheet formulas are dynamic in nature. Dynamic in the sense when you copy a formula. So now look at this slide so that you will understand better. See here I am having a table product rate quantity and I am calculating the value of an amount. Yes. So how I am calculating amount? I am simply writing a formula is equal to D6 into E6. After that, for calculating formula values for other three columns, other three rows, I don't write the formula again and again. What I will do simply, I will simply copy the formula. Now see here, when you copy the formula, what is happening? The cell references has changed. Earlier it was D6 and E6. Now it was D7 and E7. Now see here, for the next column, it is D8 and E8. And in the next column, D9 and E9. Now I am come to you, the point. See here, this is why the formulas are dynamic in nature. And this is because of the usage of cell references. The result is recalculated automatically by modifying the source cell address. This is because of the feature called cell references. That's why formula is called as dynamic in nature. Next, there are three different types of cell references. Oh my God. Types of cell referencing: relative cell referencing, absolute cell referencing, fixed cell referencing. The one I explained you now is an example for relative cell referencing. It is actually a default cell referencing. The definition is when you copy a formula, the value in cell change. Next category is absolute cell referencing. Absolute in the sense it is opposite of relative. Here, when you copy a formula, the value of cell remains constant. That is, the value will not change. Now I am giving you an example for this. See here. Here in this table, I have used a formula D6, E6, $F, $6. Keep it in mind. The relative cell referencing and absolute cell referencing are differentiated using a symbol called $. If you used $, while referring a cell, then when you copy the formula to next row, see here, it is again referring the same cell D6. Please look into the selection. In relative cell referencing, automatically the source cells were changed, but in absolute cell referencing, it is always pointing to a F6 column. In this third column also, see here, relative cell referencing is changing, whereas the absolute cell referencing is not changed. Okay, that's a difference between relative and absolute cell referencing. As here in this formula, I have used both relative and also absolute cell referencing. It is called as a mixed cell referencing. So in this session, we learnt what is formula, how to write formula, what is cell referencing, what is the power of cell referencing, and the different types of cell referencing. Next session, we will learn cell range and how to name a cell range and how to use the named cell range in a formula. Yes? Bye children.